Good evening, everyone. Can you hear me? Type yes if you can hear me. Fantastic. Hello, Wilson, Christine, Jason, Dave, Rachel, Eddie. Wow, Sukling, Lai Hui, Phyllis, Ken, Kong, Wendy. Good to see everyone here. Good evening. Okay, today event is open to the public. Okay, so welcome to today's weekly webinar. Today we are doing it on Sunday. This is our Sunday date. Okay, Yi Xiang says our Sunday date. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, welcome again. Let's get started. This is our usual weekly webinar, but today we are opening it to the public. Okay, so as usual, what we want to do is to look at the markets first. Okay, and then later part we will go through the individual stocks, and then lastly we're going to go through is your stocks. Okay, so so let's get started. Whatever I share with you all today is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Yes, Yang, right? Disclaimer. Okay, type yes if you agree. Today is our not advice to buy and sell. Okay, is for entertainment purpose, is for education purpose, not advice to buy and sell. Okay, so okay, hi Li Ching. Okay, so let's get started. So again, we're going to go through the S&P 500 or the index first. After that, we're going to go through the individual stocks. Okay, so how edutainment. Okay, so let's go to S&P 500 first. Okay, we go to weekly first. Guess what is the trend for weekly trend? Type what do you think is the trend for weekly trend? Okay, weekly trend is uptrend. Very good. Okay, uptrend. Okay, no change of trend. Last 3 weeks, okay, we have this drop, but the trend remain up. Yes or no? Okay, in fact, we are almost at clearing the all-time high again for S&P 500. Okay, so for long term, you should remain long position. Nothing much you need to do. We have the support at around right now is about 3,690, which is this red line over here. Okay, this red line over here continue to hit upwards, and since then, since this buy signal, we are up about 24%. Okay, we are up about 24% right now. Okay, so remain up for the moment. Okay, type yes if you understand. Okay, there's somebody spamming okay, in the public group, right? Join the WhatsApp group. Okay, so don't join. Okay, okay. So next, okay, let's go to the daily charts. Okay, by the way, have you all seen this latest update of the Trader GPS? Okay, Trader GPS, we have now the delayed time delayed pricing. Okay, last time we only got end of day, but right now we have a delayed pricing, which is I don't know whether it's good or no good. Okay, but some of you all asked for it. Okay, so this delayed pricing for S&P 500 on the daily charts. Okay, we can see that last few days, okay, candlestick turn bearish. Okay, so if you want to, not bearish, at least take profit, right? From here, we exited. Okay, these are the previous signal. Like I mentioned previous week, okay, it is possible that along the journey there will be whipsaw. Yes or no? I mentioned this last week. Yes or no? Okay. By the way, the WhatsApp group got nothing to do with me. So I think don't join. Okay, because I don't know what they are. This is about. Okay. So yes, last week we did mention that it's possible that whipsaw. Yes or no? Type yes if you heard me speaking about the whipsaw last week. Okay, some of y'all heard, right? Okay, last week we talked about whipsaw. So generally remain long. Okay, no exit. Okay, no exit right now. Let's look. Any question on the S&P 500? 4,000 is there any challenge? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. But the trend is your friend. Type yes if you agree. The trend is your friend. You want to ride uptrend. Okay, you're on the right the uptrend. How to avoid all this whipsaw? If you are doing position daily, right, which is 3 to 9 months trade, right, sometimes it's difficult to avoid all this whipsaw. Okay, so what it means to you is maybe take profit along the way. Okay, take a profit along the way, but no choice that what you want to avoid. If you're doing shorter term, okay, you have this whipsaw. If not, you can stick to the longer term, then you have less whipsaw. Type yes if you understand. So bottom line, guys, is to know your time frame. Okay, you know your time frame. Are you a daily position? Are you a weekly position? What is your trading time frame? Okay, I think that's very important. Okay, and again, I mentioned the trend is your friend. If you do not write the trend, okay, if you do not write the trend, then you can miss out this 24% run. Okay, what is whipsaw? Lee asked, right? So whipsaw is when we have things that are like this. Okay, there is a buy signal and then a sell signal, but instead sell signal, right? Sell signal over here, and then after that, subsequently, the buy signal appear again to write the trend. Okay, so same thing over here. There's a sell signal, and then eventually turn back to buy signal again. So this is what we call a whipsaw. It whip you up lah, out of the position. Okay, type yes if you understand whipsaw. Okay, good. Today we have like 420 people in the group. Okay, I think there are more people coming in. Public, we have like 480. Okay, public got more people today. Okay, interesting. Okay, so S&P 500, any question? Type good if you have no question. Okay, next we go to the Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq market and the X. Okay, Nasdaq again. We have Nasdaq is relatively weaker. Yes or no? Relatively weaker than the S&P 500 because we see that the S&P 500 has almost reached the all-time high. Okay, whereas Nasdaq is tracing a lower high. Yes or no? Okay, so we can see that on Nasdaq is right now at this moment is relatively weaker. If you want to go and see as Dow Jones Index, similarly, actually, in fact, we have cleared the high. Can you all see? Okay, we have cleared the high. Type yes if you can see. We have cleared this high over here. In fact, S&P Dow Jones no whipsaw. Okay, there's no exit even for here. Yes or no? Okay, so what does it tell you about the market? What does it tell you the market? The market is number one, tech stocks, right? Tech stocks are relatively weaker than the general market, okay? And also the bigger cap stocks are actually outperforming the tech stocks. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. We talk about this sell tech by the recovery before. Yes or no? Not today, not this week, right? We have mentioned this I think a couple of weeks ago. Yes or no? Okay. So right now, I think this theme will continue. Okay. The reason why Nasdaq, right, it is still in correction is you have to put in the context that Nasdaq went up a lot. Okay, went up a lot. You can see from here, after it broke the high in June. Okay, somewhere in June, it have went up all the way 41%, and then right now it's about 31%. Okay, so Nasdaq actually went up a lot compared to S&P 500. So after they break the COVID high, this was actually the COVID high. Okay, this is actually pre-COVID high, and then we break the COVID high, and it went up as much as 41%. Right now, it's about 31%. But else, let's say example S&P 500. S&P 500 is relatively, since the recovery is relatively weaker. Okay, you can see from here, this is the pre-COVID high. Okay, pre-COVID high. We have broke above the pre-COVID high, but the S&P 500 has only recovered 16%. Got it? That yes, if you understand. Okay, so since after COVID, right, money flows to the tech sectors. It rise up much more than the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones. Okay, so right now it is not a trend reversal, but more like a sector rotation. That means money is moving out of the tech. They take profit for the tech, and then now they're moving into more of the recovery stocks. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, Alvin asked how to join the live webinar. You join the live webinar when you are SMT graduate. Every week, right? We will do this SMT after they graduate for the SMT class. Then every week we will do. Usually it's on Monday, but tomorrow I'm going to cruise. Okay, so today we do it on Sunday. So you can join us in our SMT community. Okay. Okay, let's do this thing first. So if you want to join us in SMT community, you can go and type in, go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB. Okay, for graduates, let's do something different. Don't always comment SMT. Let's do something different. What should we do? Okay, comment when did you start SMT? Okay, when did you join SMT? Okay, roughly. Batch maybe a bit hard. Which year or which month or things like that. Okay, so we have January last week. Well, but last week one. Okay, we have 1990 seriously. We have yesterday. We have October. We have July last year. November 6 months ago. 2016. Shirley. Okay. Okay. So these are the graduates that are all our past graduates, okay, that join SMT. Okay, so comment SMT if you recommend SMT to the public. Okay, comment SMT if you recommend SMT to the public. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, guys, our public also are posting also good. Okay, don't worry, why you outside. Okay, you should be inside, right? Okay, some of you are outside. Join the Zoom call. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so go if you are interested to join the SMT community, then go and sign up this. Go to this link, CollinSeow.com/SWB. In the future, when we have a preview, okay, I think not so. I think another 2 weeks time. I think if I'm not wrong, then we will have a preview of what is SMT about. Okay, so these are the people. Wei Jie very good. Okay, SMT hot until blur. Okay, I like. Okay. Okay, so let me come back again. Okay, so okay, guys, do you all understand the sector rotation? Not trend down, but more of money taking profit from the tech sectors into the recovery sectors. Okay. I suspect it's all catching up. Do you follow what I'm saying? Dow Jones is also catching up with Nasdaq. It's all catching up right now. Okay, so Dow Jones we have cleared. This is actually the COVID high before pre-COVID high. Okay, and then right now we just about from this COVID high, just about 12% above this COVID high only. Yes or no? Okay, so can y'all see that catch up? Okay, Nasdaq run first, and then now the rest are trying to catch up. By the way, don't read news. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, I want to reiterate this point. Is don't read news. Okay, remember when we talk about recession? Do you remember a few weeks ago I did that slide about recession? Okay, recession. When was the worst time last year when COVID happened? It was actually in March and April. Yes or no? You imagine. Let's go back 1 year ago. In March and April, do you have any visibility in the market? Do you know you will not know whether the COVID vaccine is found or not. In fact, they say they will take a few years to get the vaccine. Yes or no? Okay. In fact, they say in March last year, the numbers are accelerating. Yes or no? Okay, the numbers are accelerating. So it's a lot of fear. People are losing their job. Okay, that's why the government come in and do all this stimulus and things like that. But at that point of time during recession, it is actually at the market what? Bottom. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so if you read the news, you will not buy the stock. Do you follow what I'm saying? Because they are saying that vaccine will be found in 1 or 2 years' time. Yes or no? They will say that people will be losing their job. Yes or no? So unlikely if you read the news, you will buy stocks in March. Yes or no? But you can see from here, all the market, whether Nasdaq or Dow Jones or S&P 500, all of the markets bottom somewhere in March. By April last year, okay, we already had buy signal. Even in April, the news was still negative. Yes or no? Do you agree? April, May, no vaccine found yet. Yes or no? The numbers are increasing. Yes or no? So if you read news, then you'll be confused. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Okay, news confused. Okay, so don't read news. Okay, so what you can do is understand that market, right, or the stock prices is not affected, okay, by, so a lot of people think that the economy is the front, okay, the stock price is behind. In reality, it's not like that. Yes or no? This is like real time, right? We are doing this. The stock market move first, then slowly the economy move up. Make sense? Okay. Type yes if it makes sense. Okay. So what can you do? Of course, you can use Trader GPS or some kind of system to help you, to guide you, when to get in and out. Got it? Type yes if you agree. Or like Calvin said, right? The algorithm, the price is moving much faster than the news. They anticipate. Okay. Last year, somewhere in April already, they anticipate it's going to recover and it's going to put this in the future. Okay. Okay, type yes if you understand. Our only thing we can do is, since news is like looking at the real view mirror, we cannot use news to trade, to see what is in front. Yes or no? So what we can use price. Okay, so coming back again, what is price? Price is not so much of what's happening to the economy, but what's happening to what? Make a guess. What causes stock price to move? Sentiment and what else? Reaction and what else? No. What else? Sentiment is one. Okay, sentiment is one. Sentiment is how people feel about the market in the future. But one more thing, money. Do you follow what I'm saying? Money. Okay, the flow of money. Got it? The money will flow from into the financial market first, not the economy. Then eventually the money will find its way to the economy. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. So when they have pump money, they don't immediately go and save the economy. It pumps and goes into the stock market, into the financial market first. Okay. Then eventually, when the economy will slowly catch up. Okay. On the flip side, okay, understand that the stock market will top first before the economy top. Okay, that means the stock market will find its high already, then the economy will catch up. By the time economy is at the all-time high, stock market is already on the way down. Okay, type yes if you all got this concept. Okay, I covered this before in the 2 or 3 weeks ago. Yes or no? I'll talk about interest rate, talking about inflation and things like that. Okay. If you all missed that part, okay, you can go to watch this, because I cover that training based on charts and things like that. How many went through that one before? Remember I talked about inflation and interest rate and things like that? Like me, if I went through that before. Which class was that? I think it's 2 weeks ago. Okay, 2 weeks ago. It's recorded in the members area. Okay, so 2 weeks ago, yes, so we talked about this, remember? Oh, so for those graduates that missed this one, especially for new graduates, then go and watch this. Okay, I talk about where to be in. Okay, equity, commodities, interest rate, and things like that. Okay, so in my view, we are still where are we right now? Do you think we are at a recession, recovery, early expansion, economic peak, or contraction? Early recovery, okay, or can be early expansion even. Do you follow what I'm saying? But not economic peak. Do you follow what I'm saying? Or economic peak means like inflation start to come in, rate hike start to begin. Here got rate hike, right? Rate hike start to begin and things like that. Okay, now not talking about rate hike yet. Okay, so still on the way up. The central government must be sure that the economy can stand on its feet before increasing interest rate. Type yes if you understand. Okay, so that is the key. Okay, so if you have a big picture, then you won't be so fearful. Okay. So coming back again, so go and watch this. It's in the members area under 1st of March training. Okay, under 1st of March training. Okay, so Nasdaq, Dow Jones, let's go to STI. Okay, who's still holding STI? Type in STI. Okay. Okay, let me just define one more time on the long term. Okay, let's define one more time on the long term. In fact, I recently defined again. Okay, long term, 1 to 2 years. Should be a comma. Buy more when it drop. Dollar cost averaging. Do you follow what I'm saying? All this here, right? It is not short term. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's long term. Okay, it is long term. We caught STI since April. It's long term. Okay, you can split up your funds. Okay, and do dollar cost averaging. Okay, and ride the trend. Okay, since April last year, we have went up. Okay, STI is strong. 35%. Okay, 35% since April or somewhere April last year. Okay, so if you are holding STI, just continue to hold. Okay, right now we are more or less in the middle of the point already. Do you follow what I'm saying? How many was here in April last year when we talk about this? Like me when April, Susan was here, Emma was here. Yes or no? We talk about crisis. Remember we talk about crisis. We talk about Asia financial crisis, SARS, global financial crisis, and the COVID crisis. Okay, if you bought last year, now you're up 35% already. Okay, so right now we are like midpoint. Do you follow what I'm saying? We are like midpoint. Okay, this is the full recovery. Right now we are like midpoint over there. Okay. Any question on STI? No question. Go to Hang Seng index. Okay, Hang Seng index similar to the STI. Okay, long term still bullish. Okay, can you see? Long term is still bullish. Short term, I think also have whipsaw. Yes or no? Okay, short term you see Hang Seng also buy and sell. Okay, but if you're long term, you should remain buy. Yes or no? Okay. Do we have A50 before? We don't have, right? Do we have A50 before? Type yes or no. I don't think so. But we did yes, no lah. We never don't talk about ST. But we do actually 2823 we always review. Yes or no? 2823 we always review 2823 also. Okay, so 2823 which is the A50. Okay, A50 over here. Okay, this is the A50. Remain long. Okay, if you want to take a look, bigger picture look at, then you get a clearer picture. Yes or no? We can have this up move. Okay, this up move, and then right now price is coming down. That's last 3 weeks. Okay, the A50 correct quite deep. Yes or no? Okay, but if you go to the weekly charts, you have the context. Okay, in fact, right now it's a weekly what? It's a weekly swing. Yes or no? It's a weekly swing. Okay, we've never test 20 MA before. Okay, so last week we test. Okay, the weekly MA over here. Okay, so this is a weekly swing setup. Okay, take note now that since August last year, we have not tested 20 MA. Right now, we have tested 20 MA. Can you see the price coming down, rejected? How to know whether it's going to flip up again? How do we know that it's going to go up again? Mark the high, yes or no? Mark the high. High is around $20.60. Got it? $20.60. When we reverse up, then we can swing trade. Okay, in fact, I mentioned here, I look out for weekly swing from March to May. Okay, type yes. If you understand, this is I posted last week, yes or no? Look out for weekly swing from March to May. Look out for swings. Okay. Type good if you understand. Any other question if you have? How much fund do you put into long-term and trader GPS? That one really depend on you. Okay, depend on you. You are the one can decide what is your proportion. Okay, in general, okay, the more funds you have, the more you can do long term. Okay, and the less time you have, then you should do more long term. Make sense? Okay. If you have, so we have long term, and then we have medium term, 3 to 9 months. Okay, and then we have like shorter term swings. Okay, so how much to proportion is up to you. Okay, what is most suitable for you? So guys, you all need to know yourself also. Okay, as you trade, right, you need to know what kind of time frame is more suitable for you. Am I more suitable to go into long term? That means I just buy and then just buy good stock and then just hold. Or am I suitable for short term? Why is it some people are more suitable for short term? It's because short term, right? It's because short term, some people cannot see make money, become lose money. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, some people cannot tahan, make money, you lose money, they don't want. Okay, so then you do shorter term. Okay, some people very trigger happy. They say, oh, every day I must buy something, sell something, and then you do shorter term. Okay. Okay, does that answer your question? Type yes if you understand. The Hong Kong IPO, yes, Hong Kong IPO, I will post in the Facebook later. Okay, you all want to open up account, you all can open up account. Just to share with you all, Hong Kong IPO, I would say placement of IPO. I just want to share with you some statistics. Placement of IPO, 75%, 75% of if you get placement of IPO, it's up. That means you will make money. Okay, on average, based on that day, what this guy mentioned, on average, the up is about 40%, 40%. Okay, so go and find out how to open up the brokerage account. Okay. Okay, today we don't go to Hong Kong IPO. Okay, if you find out more, you can message me later. Okay. As A50, any question? Type good if you have no question. Like if you ask me, Collin, you want to do a daily swing or not? I don't have time. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. Does it mean don't have opportunity daily swing? No, there are a lot of opportunity recently. Yes or no? Daily swing. But I don't have time to do daily swing. Okay. I would prefer to I look old already. Old people do this one. Do you follow what I'm saying? Old people then cannot take too and the thing is I'm okay to see drawdown. Okay, 30%, 20% drawdown is fine for me. Okay, for long term can enter or not? What can enter or not? Okay, what about when I'm 30? 30 I'm doing short term. Okay, 30 I'm doing short term. Okay. Okay, the thing is like that. When you do swing, right, you sometimes also don't dare to put so much money. Yes or no? You don't need to put so much money. You don't dare to put so much money also. But for Long term, if you have an idea and you dare to put more money. Do you agree? Okay. Old people buy 4D. I don't buy 4D lah. Okay. Okay. Type good. Then you can move on. And anyway, by the way, do not need to copy anyone. Do you follow what I'm saying? Don't go and copy like, oh, this is a method, or this is a method, or this is a method. Our role is to find out what's most suitable for us. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, what's most suitable for you? Oh, that is the key. Okay, the key is there's no one size fit all. Like for me, I don't like to wait for the stock down, then I keep buying. I don't like to do that. Okay, why? Because when the stock go down, it can go down for a long time. Yes or no? Okay, I like to buy stocks when they have more or less bottom, and I'm more or less convinced of the position. Then I will buy. Okay. On top of that, I will add on to my winning position. Got it? I will add on to my winning position. When I'm correct, I'll add position. Okay, but I will have some capital that I can deploy when opportunity come. Type yes if you understand. Some of the question like silver, all this later I answer. Okay, guys, let me finish up all this first. Today got time because today don't need to go lunch, right? Don't need to go 12, 11 o'clock lunch. So later I have time, then I cover some of this thing. Yeah, supper. Okay, no need lah. Fat ready to eat supper. Okay, so let's go into other index. Come. Any other index? 3033, the tech, right? 3033 do not have enough data. Okay, for long term, may not have enough data, but for short, this is long term. Okay, I think you can use from here to here lah. Okay, something like that. Okay, and then for short term, then you can go to daily. Okay, go to daily and then you can see. Okay, if you ask me for tech, right, I think long term can. Okay, China, right, long term I think okay. Okay, this is like our IPO of 3033 is here. Okay, one day is here, and then right now recently we went back to about the same price. Yes or no? Oh, you see, went to about same price here. Oh, so I think long term can. Okay, any question? Type good if you got no question. Any question? Type good if you have no question. Index, any other question? Why is it hanging already? 3606 right? No lah. Let's talk about index first. Any question? Let's talk about question. Any question first? Index lah. US, not forex, right? KLCI, the code is FBMK, right? I must remember the code. Is it correct, this one? Okay. Oh, so weekly trend. This weekly trend. Got it? Weekly trend. And then KL is a bit slow. Yes or no? Oh, you see a bit slow. Okay. Whereas, let's say example, the rest of the market is faster. Okay. So any others? Japan. Wow, you go so far. Go until Japan. Okay. Hang on. Japan is strong. Yes or no? Okay. Nikkei is actually relatively stronger. Okay. Relatively stronger. Hey, wow. Ethereum. Okay. Do you all see Ethereum? Almost all-time high again. Okay, Bitcoin clear all-time high again. Hoda! Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay, so next few days, let's see how Ethereum. Okay, Nikkei. Weekly trend. Okay, this is the weekly trend. Trend is what? Up or down? By right, you all must learn how to see lah. Oh, yes or no? Up, yes or no? Oh, daily trend. There's a pullback, and then right now, actually Nikkei start to go up already. Yes or no? Oh, Nikkei start to recover again. Okay, so you see the weekly trend almost triggered already. Okay, next week, if it trigger again, that means we are looking at up already. Okay, Hang Seng finished already. Any other question? Any other question on Hang Seng? No question, right? We just finished, right? Index first, guys. Enough lah. No need to go see all this. Okay, let's move on. Okay. Next thing is let's look at our stock first. Okay. Let's look at our stock first. Okay. So today we have one stock, TOCM, Trip.com. Trip.com. Okay, Trip.com. Clear 6 months, 6 month high. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Anybody got Trip before this? If you don't have, it's fine. Okay. Let's count the arrows. Oh, you so far have already. Okay. So let's count it. This is considered one of the recovery stocks. Yes or no? Okay, one of the recovery stocks. We have first arrow with teeth. Okay, this is TOCM. Not the just screen this. Okay, this is the first arrow with teeth. This one no count. This is second arrow with teeth. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. Okay. So yeah, this is good. So right now, next is to look for break of the candle. Break of the candle. Okay. If you miss the first one, it's fine. Can you all see that first one likelihood you will not be able to choose? Yes or no? John said correctly. Okay. Why? Because in the first arrow here, you will look backwards over a period of 1 month. Over a period of 1 month, it is still sideways. You got it? Type yes if you understand. Type yes if you understand. Yeah, I understand that Trip is a bit noisy. Yes or no? Okay, there's a lot of noise over here, here, and here. And then got gaps also. Oh, there's a lot of gaps here. You see there's a lot of gaps also. Okay. But why I chose Trip, why I chose Trip is, you want to know why I chose Trip? Type yes if you want to know. Okay. I think Trip is a different animal now. Okay. Okay, guys, you don't need to buy the first arrow. Okay, you don't need to buy the first arrow row. You can actually buy the second arrow. So why? Because I'm going on a trip. Wow, that's so ideal answer. Hey, by the way, I mentioned this before, right? Revenge holidaying. Do you agree that there will be this revenge holiday thing or revenge spending? Type yes if you agree. Let me ask you a question. You all haven't go holiday for very long, right? When it open up, will you like revenge to go holiday or not? Have like, oh, spending also, no? Because you have the revenge spending. Like you never spend, then you now like let go and you can spend. Do you follow what I'm saying? You're so fierce. Okay. Okay. So this stock, why I like this stock is because I feel it's a different animal right now. Okay, I feel it's a different animal. Okay, last time this stock is very noisy. Okay, but after it break all-time high, I think it's a different animal. Look at the strength, look at the impulse. I think it's a different animal. Okay, so this, remember I talked about the box theory. Who was here last time when we talked about this box theory? Oh. So this box, right, we have cleared. Okay, we have another box over here. We have cleared. Okay, so we have cleared all this congestion area. Okay, we have cleared all the congestion area, which is good. Okay, in my opinion. Again, guys, I mentioned this before. By now, you all know that there is always a probability. Yes or no? Type yes if you understand. This stock is different from this stock. This is a long-term stock. Got it? This is a long-term stock. This stock, right, is something like, okay, so one more thing, let me share with you all. For long term, I will buy stocks that are like this and recover. Do you follow what I'm saying? Like this and recover. I'll buy stock that are like this. Type yes if you understand. Long term. If you buy long term stock, it will not be straight line up. Do you follow what I'm saying? There will be like this correction and then go up. Do you follow what I'm saying? Because why? There's a lot of resistance along the way. Got it? But you can do dollar cost along the way. Type yes if you understand. That's why it's long term. Okay? But for position daily and things like that, you should buy stocks that already have what? 6 months what? Trend. Uptrend. Yes or no? Clear trend already. So you should not buy stocks that are like this. You should not buy stocks that are uptrend. Type yes if you can see the difference. What kind of criteria I choose here? What kind of criteria I choose for this? Got it? So all these stocks will have clear, at least on the weekly charts, all this trend will be clear, uptrend already. But STI or 045 Hong Kong, all these stocks, right, when we caught last year, were all not uptrend. Do you follow what I'm saying? STI or Hong Kong stocks, all these stocks are not uptrend. Even the this one is not uptrend. Okay, it is not uptrend yet, but they have more or less bottom. Got it? Okay, good. You understand, Okay, so let's move on. So you understand the distinction between long term and position trading or not? That yes, if you understand. Any question? So like we talk about like STI or whatever stocks during that time, right? Last year, when got uptrend? Or when it was here, April, where got uptrend? Don't have. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. When we are in April last year, don't have uptrend. You go to weekly charts, right? Weekly charts in December, April last year. Here, where got uptrend? Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Or don't have uptrend. Okay, it's more like buying value lah. Got it? But this one is position trading, 3 to 9 months trade. Okay, so 3 to 9 months trade, right, guys? You want it to be uptrend already. You don't want it to be like this. Why? Because when it's like this over here, by the way, it is not straight line. Yes or no? It can go up and then come back down all the way. Can you see? It went up from here. It went up 25%, but then it dropped back almost 12%. In fact, it's in October, it was only up 5% only. Got it? Type yes if you understand. TOCM is Nasdaq stock, right? Trip.com. Any question? Type yes, y'all can see the difference. Okay. Let me just share with you one more, right? Like SIA Engineering. I test you all right now. SIA Engineering, it is, if you want to buy STI Engineering, okay, weekly trend, right? What kind of trend is this? Uptrend or downtrend? It's not uptrend yet. Do you follow what I'm saying or not? Type yes if you understand. It's not uptrend yet. Not yet. Do you follow what I'm saying? Got it? It is not uptrend yet because we can still draw the downtrend. If you click 6 months high, let's say you do daily charts. Daily charts, you click 6 months high. This one got 6 months. Okay, they got 6 months already. Recovering. Do you follow what I'm saying? But it is not a stock that I want to trade right now. It is why? Because as the price go up, reach here, there will be resistance. Go here, there will be resistance. Go here, there will be resistance. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, but let's say example, you want to do like long term. Okay, you want to do long term like what we do STI, then this is like a recovery kind of stocks. Got it? Okay, but this stock is not uptrend yet. Got it? Okay, so if I must put a slot this stock, right? Where to slot it? I'll slot it in the long term. I will not slot in position trading. Type yes if you understand. Okay, very good. Next stock is APA. Okay, this is a recovery stock. Yes or no? That yes if you agree. Okay, this is a recovery stock. Okay, so 6 months high again, recovery. Okay, how to see its recovery stock? You can see over the last 6 months it have turned. Got it? Okay, when it's a recovery stocks also, it will not be a straight line up. Okay, it will not be a straight line up. By the way, who have APA? Type in APA. 3 to 9 months trade. 3 to 9 months trade, guys, not 1 week trade. Okay. So hang on. Okay, nothing much you need to do. Hang on. Support is here. Okay. Right now this correction, you can also use the daily charts to see help us see that the trend is up. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Okay. Okay. Any question? Type good if you have no question. Okay. Next one. CME. CME group. Okay. Also same. Okay. Use position trading easier. Okay. So we got in here. Okay. We got in here. Hang on. Nothing much you need to do. Price came back down. Okay. Came back down to do to find our MA. Yes or no? Type in CMC. We have CMC. Oh, can y'all see this swing? Okay. Actually, this one you still can enter, I feel. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Okay, price move up, come back down, correct. Now it's pulling up again. Okay, so if you don't have CMC and collect CMC, I think it's okay. CME, there's CMC. CME. Okay. Yeah, swing is daily. Okay, which is okay. Well, Ho Feng is here. Ho Feng is a very old graduate, right? Is it Ho Feng? Okay, okay. I remember you. Okay, okay. So, you're Ho Feng, right? Not Feng Ho, right? Feng Ho. Okay. So, any other question? Okay, okay. Don't say oh, not oh. Senior worse, right? Senior graduate. Senior like me. Okay. CME, yes, CME is listed in Nasdaq. CME group. Okay, CME group is listed in Nasdaq. Okay. Type yes if it's understand. You understand. Okay, next one. Starbucks. Do you notice one thing, guys? It's not intentional. But do you notice one thing that all these stocks, right? Trip.com, Apache, CME maybe is cyclical, but Starbucks, all these are considered recovery stock. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. But it's not I intentionally go and find all these stocks. It's because when we scan, the stock appear. Type yes if you agree. It's not intentionally we go and find all these stock. It's when we scan, the stock appear. Okay? So, Starbucks. Any question? How do we know it's recovery stock? You need to do a bit of fundamental. You need to know what is Starbucks business about. Yes or no? Okay. When it's like recession, maybe people will drink less Starbucks. Okay. But when the economy start to open up again, then people maybe will drink more Starbucks. Do you follow what I'm saying? So it's like a recovery stock. Okay. Like trip.com also same, right? You now cannot holiday, and then in the future you can holiday. Then that was a recovery stock. So recovery stock, right, guys? That's what I mentioned already. Recovery stock will take time. Okay, will take time. It's not like tech stock. Once you buy a boom. Do you follow what I'm saying? It's why it's called recovery. That's why it's called recovery. Yes. Okay, got it. Okay, so next one, ANGI. Yes. Recovery stocks will be like, how to say, it's like cyclical stocks. Do you follow what I'm saying? That means in the COVID, these stocks will be badly affected. Do you follow what I'm saying? That's why when the COVID recover, then recover. Got it? Type yes if you understand. Okay, like Disney also, yes or no? Like Carnival, all this also, yes or no? All this will consider like recovery. Okay, property need to be careful, okay? Because why? Because fundamentally, right, there are some changes in property. Yes or no? Huh? Because even if COVID were to end right now, right, I don't think everybody will go back to big office and work again. Do you all agree? Okay, because people suddenly, right, because they say, hey, actually we can really work from home. Oh, so property need to be careful. Retail also same thing, right? Retail, when everybody now very used to buying things online because of COVID. In the future, when they open up again, they may suggest, hey, they may think, hey, maybe better to buy online. Do you agree? So property need to be careful. Home property is a bit different. Home property, right now everybody work from home. Do you agree? Everybody now work from home. So I think residential property is good. Got it? Oh, and I think the bigger property, Singapore, it is better. Okay, but because now the new launch all very small property. Do you all agree? All the new launch you see like 3 room, 3 bedder, like less than 1,000 square feet. Huh? So I think there will be demand for older property, bigger property. Why? Because there's work from home. Got it? Type yes if you understand. By the way, this is just my view. May be totally wrong. Okay? Because the older property are bigger in size. Do you all agree? The older condo are bigger in size, and they are relatively cheaper. You see the new property, right, are so small, and so the PSF is much, much higher. Got it? New one for Smurf. Don't like that. People buy new property, then you say they are Smurf. That's not very nice. But when I went to see, it's really quite small. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, M block potentials are coming out, right? Terence, you know, right? Terence is an M block specialist. Okay. Terence, you should know M block is coming back. Yes or no? M block is coming back also. So coming back again, REITs, all this got to be careful. Okay, got to be careful. If let's say yield go up, right? REITs be careful also. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, so okay, let's not go too far. Okay, let's finish up our stocks first, then chit chat. Next one, ANGI. Do you know I'm dyslexic? I'm really dyslexic. I never go for test but I'm quite sure I'm dyslexic. Okay, because every time I read wrong one, those people who know me long enough, you all notice, right? Every time I read wrong one. Okay, so okay, guys, ANGI, just hang on. Nothing much you need to do. Just hang on right now. Okay, this is good lah. Okay, this is good. Okay, good sign. Okay, good sign. Sometimes when the price drop, right, guys, it's good that you just go to the swing to understand context. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. So and the price drop, you must, if you're not very sure, go to the swing and then understand it's a trend up, it's a trend down, is still a reversal of trend. Do you follow what I'm saying? So that you tell, oh, there's no change, there's still uptrend. Oh, okay. So next is KC. KC got stop out. Sian. Who got KC? Okay. Bye bye. Oh, this thing correct too long already lah. Okay, you see this part, right? Corrected too long. Okay, so we lost money. So later must write down. KC went in 25th of January. This one sian, right? Because 25th of January, it went up to 30%. Okay, then now it's down 5%. Yes or no? Oh, next question is Collin. Why don't sell here? Oh, why don't sell here or sell here? The thing is, I don't know, or the system doesn't know. Do you follow what I'm saying? You need to give the stock space to move. Do you follow what I'm saying? Let's say you do 3 to 9 months straight, you must give the stock space to move. You got it? Type yes if you understand. You must give it space to move down. Okay, so if it move down, then go down some more, then exit. Okay. Weekly trend, I think, is still up, but I don't suggest, up to you all lah. If you all want to do weekly, know that the ultimate stop loss is here. Okay, but if you are doing position, my suggestion is just stick to position daily. Okay, don't switch. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. NVX, who has NVX? Oh, NVX still hanging by a thread, Yes or no? No exit yet. Type yes if you agree. No exit yet, Okay, continue to mark low. Okay, mark low. Okay. If we break below the low, then exit. There's no exit yet. Okay. Let's hope that this will continue to go up. Then it turn back to blue. Okay. Let's watch it. Okay. I feel right that this stock also corrected too much. Okay, too much. Let's take a look. If it break low, I will sell. Got it? Okay. I would think that it should drop until here and recover. Okay, drop until here and then recover. Okay, this one drop a bit too deep already. What is too much? This one a bit hard to explain. It's doing Fibonacci and things like that. Okay. Okay, but if you're long term, then long term is still here. Okay. Next week, right? If the price continue to go higher, then this thing will go up. Is it possible to change to blue? Yes, it's possible. But my suggestion is when you enter whatever, you exit whatever. Okay, you enter using position daily, you exit position daily. Okay, then keep your losses small. If not, you remember some of the stocks that we cut, let's say 13%, and then drop another 30%. So you don't want to have this happening. So what you do is once you exit already, exit. Do you follow what I'm saying? What is the aggressive entry? Wow, you're so aggressive. Do you think people who miss 1st February can take aggressive entry at this point? Now? No lah. Don't do now. NVX, is it? Now is it? No lah. Now don't do already. Okay? Don't do. Okay? Next one. I move on. ETSY. ETSY also exit already. Yes or no? ETSY. Oh, yeah. ETSY. Who has ETSY? How many exited already? We went in last year, November. Last year, November 30th here. We exited 31%. Yes or no? Oh, got it. We went in here on the 30th November. Oh, 30th November here. Okay, and then we start to mark the low. Mark the low, mark the low, mark the low, mark the low, then exited on Friday. Okay, Friday exit around 31%. This, I'm curious, what is our result this year? Okay, because we got quite a lot of stop loss and we got some take profit, yes or no? I think we are still plus. I haven't do yet, but I think we are still plus because we got Farfetch, we got ETSY, all this, okay? But we also have a few down, okay? Maybe another 2 weeks or end of this month, okay, we will do a review of this quarter, okay? But I think we should still be positive. If you don't exit, let me teach you a trick. Why not? If you don't exit, then do the same thing, mark the low, this low, this new candle low and exit. Not the red line, use mark this low and exit. Okay. Type yes if you understand. So if it doesn't go below and the candlestick turn blue, which is likely, right? Because now it's very close to this line already. If the candlestick blue, then hang and exit. Okay. By right, not supposed to do that. Okay. Next one. Ahmad, our Ahmad still is the surprise stock, right? Who have Ahmad applied material? Type in APAM. Okay, it's our surprise stock. Last year, the stock was the laggard, yes or no? Was a laggard last year, and then suddenly, wow, now becomes strong one. Okay, 19 November last year was. Is it here? Yes, 19 November. And then right now is 48%. Okay? Hang on. Okay, nothing much you need to do. Hang on. If we can go higher, hang on. Okay, the key is what? Write the big trends. Everybody type in write big trends. The key is to write big trends. 48% to exit. Okay, write big trends. Okay? But for writing big trends, you need to understand that you need to give it space to move. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you don't give it space to move, like this drop move, this down move here, this down move here, if you don't give it space to move, this down move here, you may exit here. This down move here, you may exit here. Do you follow what I'm saying? This down move here, you may exit. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Okay, so you must give it space to move lah. Next one, finish. Okay. Swing trade. TMUS. Swing trade, Who got this one? Swing trade. Type in TMUS if you have seen TMUS. Trigger already, yes or no? March trigger, right? March triggered. March triggered. And then right now, just hang on. Nothing much you need to do. I think you are in the swing already. Count candle. This is maybe candle number 1. Candle number 1. Okay, you can count how many candle. Hopefully, you can do as many candle as you want. Got it? Type yes if you understand. TMUS so little bit going on here. Okay, so next one. DVA. Who have DVA? Type in DVA. Also triggered, yes or no? Triggered, right? CCI low, pop, 2 weeks, right? Now you are week number 2. Okay, week number 2. Next one, team. Team finished already, Team finished because January, right? So I should remove team already. Okay, January was quite some time ago. But triggered, exited already, yes or no? Now come back and swing again. Type yes if you agree. Hello. Oh, it's a swing again. But we exit already lah, because we did somewhere in January this year. Oh, this swing went up, hit high, come back down again. Okay, so you all can take progressive profit as the price go higher. If you want to swing again, can but do you want to swing again? No one, we got 2 stocks already, right? Okay, leave it. Okay, so I will take this out. Long term, anyone? Long term, anything? Silver. I posted the seasonality of silver, yes or no? Oh, do y'all see the seasonality of silver? Seasonality of silver, you all see? Type yes if you can see. No, why you never see? I go and find for your. It's the same, okay? SLV and all this is the same. Okay, I show you how to do, right? Stockscharts.com. 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 Yeah, okay. Stockscharts.com. Let's say you want to do SLV. Okay, SLV. They got all the things. Then seasonality. Can you see here? Seasonality. Type yes if you can see seasonality. PLTR already exited already. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Red candle come out already. Exit already. Oh, seasonality. Then you can see this is last 5 years. 17.
I found this on the web for exit ready or seasonality.
Okay, wait. My Siri got excited. Hang on. Okay, seasonality. Okay, so this is percentage of months which SLV close higher than open. So beginning of the month, end of the month. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Beginning of the month, end of the month. Okay, so since 2017, January, beginning of the month versus end of the month, January 100% of the time for the last, no, this is month, this is year. Okay, so January, February, March, April, you follow what I'm saying? Oh, so every year, right, in January, beginning of the month, January, until end of the month is up. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. So this so many years, right? Beginning of the month until end of the month, for 1718192021. In January, every month is up. It was up 3.7%. Okay. Then February only up 20%. In fact, the returns is minus 2.6%. March minus 4%. Okay. April 25%. So March, April actually not good for silver. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Then we go to May, June, July. 75% of the time is up. This is 50% of the time. This is 75% of the time. Up 4.7%, up 9.2%, up 6%. Okay. So you look at AG, right? AG, I think is similar. If I'm not wrong, if I didn't remember wrongly. Okay. Oh, AG, you see, March is down, but April is up. Do you all follow what I'm saying? In April, right, 75% of the last 5 years, right, in April, 75% of the time it is up. Okay, it was up 7.5%. Okay, and May is up 9%. Okay, best one is when? December, January. Okay. Oh, similar to the rest. What's the one? What's the other one? SILJ, right? Okay, SILJ. Also same. Can you see? Oh, this 2 months, February, March, not so good, and then April, May, all this is good. Okay. Why is it like that? Seasonality lah. Okay. Market is very silver commodities got this seasonality. Okay. So if you want to find out more about seasonality, go to this masterclass. I'm not the master lah. Okay, go and watch this. Okay, we got a 2-part video. Cyclical analysis part 1, part 2. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Go and watch this. Type yes if you go and watch this. Okay, the password is here. Okay, then over here they will talk more about seasonality. Okay, type yes if you gonna watch this. Okay, it's about how long the video.
Hello, systematic traders. This is Jay from Stream Trading.
Handsome guy, right? Okay, about 50 minutes. Okay, 50 minutes. Go and watch through this. He used seasonality more than me. Okay, so go and watch this. Okay, long term one. Any question? 700 HK. Swing setup, yeah. There's a lot of stocks that swing setup, yes or no? Oh, look out for swing March to May. Oh, there are a lot of stocks that are having a swing setup. Do you all agree? Type yes if you agree. Oh, so these are all swing setup. Can you see the last time? This was a swing and then swing up. Okay, now price coming down again, swing again. Okay, resistance turn support. Do you follow what I'm saying? Resistance turn support. Okay, so that is for 10 cents. Type yes if you understand. Don't read news lah. I say don't read news and you still want to read news. Don't read news lah. Okay, news is priced in already, guys. Okay, so if there's investigation, everybody know already. Understand? It's not you are the special one that read the news. Everybody know already. Okay, so don't need to worry about news. Priced in already. Okay, so next one. Anyone? Any more? These stocks lah. Hello, you talk about your long-term one. Space. Maybe I'll buy space. Okay. This is space. Down, down, down. Okay. And then right now, stopping. Okay. Do you all agree that it stopped dropping already? Type yes if you agree. Oh, so come back to here, draw a line, draw a line, draw a line, draw a line. You follow what I'm saying not? Around here lah. Oh, so this is up, back, down, come back down again. This kind of stocks, guys, will be not very fast. Okay, not very fast, but it is. I feel this kind of stocks, if you want to do long term, is okay. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Oh. Long term, you can do like dollar cost averaging or buy, split into 3 tranches and buy. Okay, so you can do this and you can split into 3 tranches and slowly buy. Okay. Okay, type yes if you understand. Next one, any others? Here, okay, guys. Why you all so cute one? I ask you all here. We got PLTR. Hello. 4-5 4-5 4-5. Okay, I tell 4-5 exited already. I have 4-5 but I exit already. Never follow signal. Okay. Okay. 4-5 we very long went in, right? I didn't use this. Okay. Okay, 4-5 still recovery. Do you follow what I'm saying? After drop so long, recover. Yes or no? You all don't exit with me, guys. I got other reason. Okay, this one just recovering, you know. Type yes if you agree. Downtrend and then now changing trend. Yes or no? Hello. You all don't exit with me lah. Okay, I got other things I need to do. Okay. Can you see this trend change? Hello? Oh, trend change. Meanwhile, just to say that, meanwhile, is going to hit this area of resistance, or it's going to hit this area of resistance. Do you follow what I'm saying? That means it will not immediately chunk up. Okay, so it will like, do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. Silver, I'm still in, okay, guys. Like AG, long term, right? I'm still in, okay? AG. I thought I put AG here. Did I put AG here before? Maybe I didn't. Okay, never mind. Anyway, SILJ same lah. Okay, but this AG I'm doing long term. I got paste on Facebook, right? Oh, patience. Okay. Oh, okay. Patience. It may still pull back, guys. Okay, but this one I'm bullish long term. Okay, any other stocks long term? Very cute one. I asked these stocks are your post other stock one. This stocks over here, okay. Ethereum. Ethereum is a long term hold. Okay, 10 years trend. You can hold for 10 years or not? Okay. Oh, no exit one. Okay. By the way, somewhere in June, maybe market will correct again. Okay. This is based on the seasonality and stuff like that. Okay. Trend is up. Okay. Ethereum, right? If you know what to do, you can get yield from Ethereum. Do you follow what I'm saying? I think 20% is easy. Okay. You can get yield from Ethereum. Huh? Any other things long term? But it got to do with the DeFi world, okay? So it's a bit different, okay? So it's not taught in SMT class. And it's risky also, okay? Good, this one. Why you also like panic? Fire eye. Keep asking every week. Can you see the price coming down? Touch my MA, trigger up ready. Oh, so this kind of stocks is long term. Do you agree? Oh, it's like after a long downtrend, consolidate and up. Oh, this kind of trend are good for long term. Okay, but what it means also, it may not move so fast. Okay. Why you all so cute one? I ask long term, you all ask different other stocks. Okay, any other long term stocks? Okay, let's look at the public. Got anything? You all cute one. I ask about long term stock. You all ask other stocks. Okay, later I will give you all bonus time. Okay, we will do another 15 minutes, right? Any stocks, okay? Let us finish our list first. And then go through the vote first, the voted stocks. And then after that, we will take 15 minutes and we do some analysis. Okay, so hedge 40% means cash or you have short position. This one should be blue already. Or just change on it. This one should be blue already. Okay. Any other question? No, let's go into our voted stocks. Do you all have the link? Every week must ask, do you have the link? What is the link for our Facebook? Don't have, I must find. Brian, thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, so we have PLTR. Why you all like PLTR? I don't understand. Tesla, APA, we finished already. SE, Starbucks. Okay, this one we covered. This one we covered. We got to go PLTR, Tesla, and SE. Okay. Oh, why you all don't sell? Because you all read news, right? This is a swing setup on the weekly charts, yes or no? Okay, because not enough data, okay? Because not enough data, right? So, but your MA, your lower MA should be here. Got it? Your bottom MA should be here. CCI already low, right? So if you are long term, I think it's okay. Oh, that yes, if you understand. If another way, right? If you all want to like follow Wood Jie, right? Then yeah, don't have position trade. But this should be blue color. That yes, if you understand, this should be blue color. Oh. But for daily, I already exited already, guys. Got it? Oh. But if you go weekly swing, right? This one should be up. Oh. Any question? Type yes if you have no question. If you ask me, right, I won't go and hold PLTR. Do you follow what I'm saying? Because PLTR already, right? Already exited already. Yes or no? Take the money, go and do something else lah. Why you all must like so stuck on this PLTR? Got it or not? Okay, I will not stuck at PLTR already. Okay, PLTR when we go in, this one, is it? Exit already, oh. So exit, find something else. I don't need to look at FA. FA good, got a lot of FA good stocks. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, but depend on you all lah. Because if you are long term, like you want to do long term, I think it's okay. Okay, you see this stock is going up. This dotted red line still up. Right now, because not enough data, but I share with you, this one should be blue color. Okay, but if I'm you, I won't do this kind of stocks. Okay, because my stock is my every stock should work hard for me. Do you follow what I'm saying? I should not have stocks that I need to leave down there and hope one. Do you follow what I'm saying? I want every stock, right, to be like, you want to whip the stock so that the stock make a lot of income for you. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. Yeah, long term, okay lah. Yeah, up to you all. Okay, long term then no need to long term then long term is okay. Okay, if you long term, this MA is here. This is 20 MA. Okay, 40 MA should be below. Got it? CCI is low already, so there's a swing setup. Got it? Type yes if you understand. Okay. Okay, so context again. If you are doing long term and you believe in the fundamental, no need to sell. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you believe in the fundamental, you like long term, no need to sell. In fact, you should put it here. Then this is PLTR long term. Buy more when you drop. Type yes if you understand. Or, but when we do PLTR at time is using position trade, yes or no? We really exited already. Record lose money already. Or end of the year, we will account all the lose money, make money, lose money, make money. We always cut this already. Do you follow what I'm saying? So next question is what if later it go up again? Then you shouldn't have cut loss. Then you don't have a system already. Yes or no? So our position trade, which we will account for the results end of the year. This we will do this end of this year. Hopefully we make money. Okay, we will see. So the lose money we will record down already. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. By the way, when I do this, right, like when I do this is to show you all if I stupidly, right, just follow arrow and red candle, green arrow and red candle, what will be the results? Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Last year result, cumulated returns. Okay, guys, you understand what is cumulated returns? Because we are not a fund. We are not limited by capital. Nobody got unlimited capital, yes or no? But here, right, we cannot say, oh, we got how much money and we manage a fund. So how we track the return is by percentage. Do you follow what I'm saying? If we have a fund, we say we got 100,000 and manage, then we need to sell. Let's say, example, I go in PTD, I need to take profit from one of the stocks. Because why? I need to move the capital. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Oh, so sometimes if I'm managing a portfolio, I cannot do so many stocks because I need to sell to replace. But in this example, we are not doing this. I don't want to manage fund also. Too mahafan, okay? So I just telling you that at the end of the day, the track record is this one, okay? Last year, cumulated record is 736%, 43% average percent win, 9% average loss. Okay, 20 profitable, 15 not profitable. This year we do the same thing again. Got it? Okay, we neglect a bit of the public. Yeah, we got 700 in the public. Okay, so public, come and join us. We forget the public. Okay? Come and join us in our SMT. Okay, last year this is our results. Okay, we should do every week. This year we will account again. We will see how. Okay, whether we can make money. Okay, so come and join us in our preview. Comment why you want to be part of this SMT community. Okay, 591 of you all. Okay, comment why you want to, why they should be part of this SMT community. Okay, have fun. What else? Hair long liao, nothing to do. Calling is entertaining. Okay, walao. Hair long liao is a reason. Don't like that. Don't make me palu. Okay. Okay. Follow system. Okay. Okay, can stay at night for entertainment purpose is systematic. Cause Collin care. Because I am Care Bear. Okay. People say I look like Care Bear. Okay. Okay, so guys, I finished this part already. Anything else? Okay, now go into your stocks. PLTR finish. Go into the next one is Care Bear Tamirano. Yeah. Don't actually no good. I should be a good example. Okay. I should be a good example. Next one is what's the stock? What's the next stock? Oh no. What was the next stock? Tesla. Okay. Tesla. Okay, define. Time frame. Swing. Weekly swing or what? Okay, I go through all three. Okay. Position offer. Position weekly. Hold. Type yes if you understand. If you're long term for Tesla, hold. Nothing much you need to do. Hold. Okay. Got it? Type yes if you understand. From here until here, wow, very hard lah. Still 1,000 to 200%. Okay. Candlestick turn rate to blue till now. Okay. So position weekly, hang on. Okay. Position daily, exit. Yes or no? Hello. Position daily exit. Okay. That's the reason why you need to take exit. Okay. You enter already, you need to exit. You don't exit right now, your drop is 17%. Got it? So exit. Okay. Weekly swing. Yes, there's a weekly swing. Okay. There's a weekly swing. Wait for trigger. Okay. Trigger will be the break candle high. My suggestion is, guys, once you enter that trade, exit that trade. Okay. Don't like position daily wrong and then go position weekly. Okay. Then your you don't have a method lah. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, by the way, just share with you all, as you are trading, find your time frame. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, you understand. As you're trading, you get more awareness for yourself, right? Then start to decide what you want to trade or how you want to trade. Do you follow what I'm saying? Hello? Do you still keep your trade journal? Type trade journal if you still keep a trade journal. If you don't, please go and keep a trade journal. Okay, so after you get a trade journal, you see what is your major wins, what are your major loss. Then what are the I always like to look at major loss. When your major loss, what are the patterns in your major loss? Like you FOMO trade or you never follow system, whatever. Write down. Okay. Then in the future you discover this about yourself. Then you know how to avoid them. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay. So it's a journey. Do you follow what I'm saying? There is no one size fit all method. Okay. So my purpose is to encourage you all to be in your journey lah. And the strategy should not be market sensitive. It should not be like right here weekly swing then you go and do weekly swing. Or it should be more like your personality centric rather than market centric. Like now very hot, do the daily position, then do the daily position. Okay, it should be more like knowing yourself and then from there how to trade. Okay, that yes, if you understand the concept. Next one is SE. You like Sunday more relaxed? How many of you like Sunday better than Monday? How many prefer? Okay, type Monday if you prefer Monday. Type Sunday if you prefer Sunday. Let me do a vote. Okay. Wow, you're all very bad. All want me to work on Sunday. Okay. Sunday better, man. Last time people prefer Monday. No, I can do on. I don't commit lah. Later I commit, then I must do. No, Monday better. Okay, never mind. Another day, then we decide. Okay, maybe we should poll. Okay, we do an official poll. Okay, yeah, because Monday got to eat lunch, right? Then every time got to very 紧张 to eat lunch. Okay, SE weekly swing also. Weekly swing also. Guys, do you all notice a lot of stocks are doing weekly swing? Do you all agree? A lot of stocks are doing weekly swing. So last week I already posted this, right? Weekly swing. A lot of stocks are doing this reversal pattern. Yes or no? A lot of stocks doing reversal pattern. Okay. Can move faster, sleepy liao. Okay, finish. End of the webinar. I finished my 3 stocks already, right? Okay, last 15 minutes. What stock? Okay, ICLN. Hey, don't post so many. If not, I got to keep doing. Okay, stop. Okay. No. You must put in your stock and the time frame. If not, I got to do all 4 time frame. Stock and the time frame. Who asked for ICLN? Stock and time frame. Who asked for ICLN? Long term, is it? Long term, then you do position. Position weekly. Okay. By the way, this is a green energy team. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. This is a green energy team. Green energy team doesn't change like every month the team change. Do you follow what I'm saying? When Joe Biden go and sign the climate change thing, right? They don't sign this week and then next week, hey, we're gonna change the climate change agreement. Yes or no? So the team remain. Do you agree? The team remain. Okay, so this is more like profit taking. Okay, so you see the price Went up so much, the price come back down, profit taking. Got it? So can you see? All like profit taking. Actually, this profit taking is healthy. Okay, this profit taking is healthy. Next stock, wow, stop. If not, I do until tomorrow 9 o'clock still cannot finish. Okay, ICRN. Okay, guys. Next one. Wow, so many stock. GM position daily. Okay, GM position daily. How many got GM? Type me, you have GM. Oh, so many have. These are not bad. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. Oh, not bad. Breaking new high. Oh, must trigger lah, guys. Okay, must trigger. Okay, and this is the box. GM not bad. Okay. Next one. Next one is CSCOPD. CSCOPD. This stock will be slow. Do you follow what I'm saying? If you look at the resistance here, right now, this is the, let me remove everything. Okay, so how do you know that the price will be slow? Okay, it's because there is the support here previously, and then this is the resistance here. Yes or no? Oh, so when it comes to this area here, it will have congestion. Yes, if you understand, it will have congestion. Oh, so when the price tests too long, there will be congestion. Again, CSCO, you can go to just now this one. You can go and key in here CSCO, go, and you can see last 5 years. What is the return? Wow, like April is very good, you see? Oh, last 5 years, April, CSCO is 100% up. Okay. Next one. NCLH position daily. NCLH. I got a feeling if I do on Sunday, my webinar will get longer and longer. Okay, iPhone, thank you very much. Go sleep ready. Okay. I think I will don't do Sunday. I do Sunday, webinar get longer and longer. I don't want. Okay. You think I stupid? Okay. So here, first signal, second signal, and then now is same thing, guys. Okay. So these stocks, right, is recovery stocks. Yes or no? All these are recovery stocks. Okay. So resistance is here, support is here. Recovery stocks, right, guys, cannot like immediately rush. Okay, why? Because the COVID cannot be like suddenly no more COVID. Yes or no? Cannot be lah. Okay, so it will take time to recover. Okay. Next one, ESI. Position daily. Hey guys, must rank, guys. Do you all rank or not? Must rank, okay, guys. Monday 10:30 lah. Okay, so must rank. Let's say example, this one is ESI, right? NYSE. 3rd of September. 3rd of March. 9th of March. What's that? Tired already. Okay, 9th of March, right? 9th of March, NYSE. 9th of March. No, this one is an old chair. Because this one can like lean back. Sometimes I sleep. It's an old check. 9th of March. So do you all do this rank by month? Yes or no? Oh yeah, correct. Rank number 20. Rank number 20. Okay. Hang on. Good actually, in fact. Okay. Who has this one? What sort is this? ESI. Who has ESI? Type in ESI. Now, this one not bad. Okay, break new high. Going, wow, you so many have. You have so much money. Everything also have one. Okay. Or less. Suzanne also have. Okay, very good. Next one. Leaf. Leaf also have teeth, right? I just saw leaf also. Nobody in Singapore use leaf, but I think US maybe have. Singapore grab one, we got leaf. First arrow with teeth. Second arrow with teeth. The third arrow with teeth. Third arrow with teeth. I think this one not bad. Okay, I think if we clear this resistance, it's good. Okay, if we clear this $66, I think can go to 76 or even 86. Last three, 1913, Hong Kong stock. Prada is what kind of stock? Prada is this stock overlapping. Agree? A bit overlapping. Yes or no? Type yes if you agree. This stock got overlapping. So just watch it. Okay? So Prada actually not so good. Especially when you see things like that, right? Like a tail like that, Usually I don't like. Okay, last two. ABAN. What did I say? ABNB. Anyhow say what? ABNB or Airbnb. Airbnb. I think it's a recovery stock also, but Airbnb not enough data. Okay, not enough data. And then ahead got resistance also. 217 resistance. Okay, this one not so nice. Hey, the JSM, how many got this JSM? Like in me, we have JSM. Not JSM. You're talking about the Jardine, right? The time I talked about the Jardine, who was there? Like me, you were there. That one what, right? Last year, but I didn't put it down. What is the code? J36, right? Last year I talked about this. Who what from here? I think quite a few. Okay, I think Kelvin is it or who? Some of you all make money from this, which is good. Okay, so a weekly trade. Okay, last one. SABR. Daily stocks. Okay, so one more thing to see, right, is when you clear resistance, the next resistance is where? So next resistance, when you clear this resistance, right, here to here, the next resistance is here. You got it? So in between here, right, there are space. So this stock can move up to maybe just down that area. But once it hit this area again, there will be big resistance again. Got it? Around 18 plus, there will be big resistance again. Okay, so from here to here, okay, but once reach here again, $18 resistance. Okay, guys. If not, then I go holiday already. Okay, guys. Daily plus is delayed pricing. This is delayed pricing. Delayed chart. That means when the market move, right, the last candle here will be delayed 15 minutes. Okay. Weekly also same. Okay, will be delayed. Okay, public, come and join us in our SMT community. Last call, CollinSeow.com/SWB. If not, thank you guys. I really appreciate every one of y'all for spending on a Sunday evening with me. Okay, maybe we can consider do Sunday lah, but not every week. Okay, maybe once in a while we'll do Sunday. Okay, if not, then thank you guys. See you and have a good week ahead. Bye.